So I've split my page into 8, so it's across a double page. And I'm just working on the page after my skulls. I've got a selection of oil pastels here that I'm going to use to do 4 different backgrounds in this page, so my left-hand page. And I'm going to press on quite hard so I get a really good quality of colour. And I'm going to do 4 different techniques, so I'll talk you through them as I'm doing them. So the first thing I'm going to do is start off with a light colour in the middle, and I'm just doing scribbly circles. And then the idea is that I'm trying to blend these colours in together. So I'm using 4 different shades of kind of pinks and purples, and I'm blending them together. I'm pressing on really, really nice and hard. And then on the outside, I'm doing that kind of darker purple. And this can be really, really effective depending on what you're putting on top of it. I quite like this idea. It's kind of a bit of a black hole, I suppose. But I think it can look really nice. My second one I'm going to actually leave some gaps. So I'm just kind of fanning out, doing almost like a firework effect with different colours. So it's just straight lines from a central point, and I'm not bothered about overlapping things and overlapping the colours with each other because they'll just blend in. But I quite like the look of this. Try and choose colours that are for harmonious colours, so from the same part of the colour wheel, just so you don't get some dodgy blends. On this one, I thought I'd just do scribbly circles. So it's a similar idea to the fireworks, but I'm just doing scribbly circles in different places. I quite like the way that the scribbles overlap and they create different tones and different effects. It looks a bit messy, but we are putting a print over the top of it. And then in the final one, I just did a rainbow. So I used all of the colours that I had used previously and just blended them into each other. Now, to blend them into each other on this bit, you can see I'm kind of using an oil pastel lightly and then pressing harder and then lighter again. And that just means that you get a better blend in it. So it makes the colours easier to blend.